Hello students, welcome to Listen and Learn, Standard 9 English. Students, have you enjoyed the story 1.2, the fun they had? Today, we are going to complete and discuss English workshop. Let's begin. Question 1. Use the proper punctuation mark in the given sentences. Where did you find it? Question mark. What's it about? Question. So once again, question mark. They had a teacher, a statement, full stop. How could a man be a teacher? Question. So put a question mark. Sure, if they were the same age, statement, put a full stop at the end of the sentence. And we have to always keep in mind, begin each and every sentence with a capital letter. Second question. The following sentences have an unusual meaning in the context of the story. Write what these sentences would mean today and what they mean in the context of the story. दिए गए वाक्य कहानी के संदर्भ में उनका अर्थ लिखना है और आज के संदर्भ में उनका अर्थ क्या हो सकता है यह लिखना है. फर्स्ट वन. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. Meaning today, she had been hoping they would dismiss the teacher from the job forever. Meaning in the context of the story, she had been hoping they would remove the teacher from the screen permanently as they had a mechanical teacher. They had taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month. Meaning today, they had suspended Tommy's teacher for a month. Meaning in the context of the story, they had stopped screening Tommy's teacher for a month as Tommy had a mechanical teacher and the lessons were given on a computer screen. Next, it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Meaning today, it wasn't the teacher who regularly did the teaching work in school, it was some other person who taught the students. हमेशा रेगुलर पढ़ाने वाले टीचर की जगह कोई अन्य व्यक्ति पढ़ाने के लिए आया आज के संदर्भ में. Then, meaning in the context of the story, it was not the mechanical teacher who gave lessons to the students on screen regularly. It was a person as a teacher. Mechanical teacher, रोबोट की जगह एक व्यक्ति एज अ टीचर पढ़ाने आया. हाउ कुड अ मैन बी अ टीचर? एक इंसान टीचर कैसे हो सकता है? दिस क्वेश्चन इज मीनिंगलेस nowadays because all the teachers are either male teachers or female teachers. Meaning in the context of the story, they had the mechanical teacher and they didn't expect a man in place of the mechanical teacher. किसी रोबोट कंप्यूटर की जगह कोई इंसान टीचर हो सकता है, यह बात इन बच्चों को समझ में नहीं आती, मार्जी और टॉमी को. So they asked, how could a man be a teacher? Then write words related to the following words. Make use of these words and complete the web. Book related words, pages, story, lesson, words, sentences, languages, cover, school, picture, information. You can write other words also. School related words, students, study, teachers, books, exams, sports, picnic, friends, report card, uniform, assembly, lunch break. Family related words, mother, father, son, daughter, uncle, auntie, cousins, small family, joint family, husband, wife, grandfather, grandmother, love, care and home. Then we have to discuss, how would you like to learn, from a human teacher or a mechanical teacher? You have to present your arguments in the form of a chart. Advantages and disadvantages of a human teacher, advantages and disadvantages of a mechanical teacher. Let's see. Advantages of a human teacher: supports and helps the students in their studies, can understand the problems of the students, interacts with the students and makes the lessons interesting. है ना? Then disadvantages: limited knowledge, cannot be available anytime, anywhere. Punishments and discipline is required in the class of a human teacher. Then mechanical teacher, the advantages: unlimited knowledge, can be available anytime, anywhere. No punishments and discipline is required. Disadvantages of a mechanical teacher: cannot understand the problems of the students, no interaction with the students, it's boring. Now you have to decide how you want to learn, from a human teacher or a mechanical teacher. What do you think, students? Then last question. Rewrite the following using complete words instead of contracted forms. फुल फॉर्म्स का प्रयोग कर दिए गए वाक्य लिखने हैं. When you are through, and it is good for plenty more. I would not throw it away. She had not seen as many telebooks. What is it about? I have slowed it up. I do not know. It was not a regular teacher. Students, complete the English workshop in your notebooks. Try to do it on your own after watching the video. Comment your views in the comment section of the video. We shall meet with a new video very soon. Thank you.